Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because we are going to prove why 0 factorial is equal to 1. First of all, many of you might not be aware what is the meaning of factorial. So let us clarify it first of all. Factorial symbol is this one, sign of exclamation. This is the symbol of factorial, and let's suppose 5 factorial is there. Meaning of 5 factorial is you just need to multiply starting from 5 and going till 1. That means if 5 factorial you need to find, that means 5 to 1, just do the multiplication. For example, if 3 factorial is there, that means it is 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, which makes it 6. That's it. So whichever factorial comes, it is just the multiplication up to 1. I hope you are clear with what is the meaning of factorial. Now the point is why this question arises, because 1 factorial, obviously it will remain 1 because you need to go up to 1. Now question arises why 0 factorial is 1, because it is already a 0. Then why are we taking it 1? And this question is actually genuine question. Why I explained all this? Because those who are not clear with the topic, even they have never heard about this topic, so that some curiosity should be there that why we are doing it. Now listen very carefully. I'm coming it with the concept. Let's suppose 5 factorial is there and we are writing it 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. What I can write it, check it very carefully. 5 multiply. This 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, I can write it as 4 factorial. Right? Reverse can also be done. So one important result is coming here, that 5 factorial can be written as 5 multiply 4 factorial. Same way, 7 factorial can be written as 7 multiply 6 factorial. One lesser than that. 10 factorial, it can be written as 10 multiply 9 factorial. I hope this step is clear. Now if you see, can I write that x factorial is equal to x multiply x minus 1 factorial? I have generalized it now. Generalizing means if 10 was there, this was 10. So if x is there, then x is there. Both numbers are same. Then one lesser than that. If first number was 10, one lesser than that is 9. My first number was x, one lesser than that is obviously x minus 1, 1 is being subtracted. So I have made a generalized formula from the upper discussion. Now see how we can practically use it. My formula has become x factorial is equal to x times x minus 1 factorial. Now I just need to substitute x as 1 in this formula. If I substitute x is equal to 1, what are we getting? My left side becomes 1 factorial. Right side becomes x as 1. This is 1 minus 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is what? We have already studied 1 factorial is 1 only. This is 1 multiply 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 0 factorial. Now if you see, 1 is equal to 0 factorial. This is what I wanted to prove. In the right side, I am having 1 multiply 0 factorial. Anything you multiply by 1, it remains the same. That is why 0 factorial remains same in my right side. Left side is already 1. Hence proved. What is proved? That 0 factorial is 1. I hope you are clear with the concept. But directly, if I would have told you this is the formula, confusion would have happened. That is why I started with 5 factorial can be written as 5 times 4 factorial, 10 factorial can be written as 10 times 9 factorial. Then generalizing that statement, we have come up to this formula. Now this formula is there, just put x as 1 because you can substitute any value. You can substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, any value here. All values will be applicable. Same way x is equal to 1 we used here, and finally we get our result of 0 factorial, which comes equal to 1. I hope you are able to understand the concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.